If you are starting from nothing, here are 3 things poor people must borrow to escape poverty fast.
If you come from nothing, you cannot afford pride. No capital, no powerful connections, no head start. Trying to build everything alone will slow you down. People who escape poverty fastest understand something important. They borrow what they don't have yet and use it wisely. Not money, but things that are far more powerful. Here are the 3 things. Number 1, borrow environment. Position yourself where growth is normal. Your environment shapes your results more than your effort. If you stay around people who are not building anything, your mind slowly adapts to that level. It starts to feel normal. But when you place yourself around people who are disciplined, focused, and moving forward, something changes. Your thinking expands, your habits improve, your expectations grow. You don't need motivation every day. The environment pushes you forward. Sometimes the fastest way to grow is simply to stop growing in the wrong place. Number 2, borrow standards. Upgrade how you think and operate. Many people work very hard but still remain stuck, not because they are lazy, but because their standards are low. They tolerate poor habits. They accept inconsistent effort. They operate without clear direction. When you borrow higher standards, everything changes. You begin thinking before acting. You plan before moving. You demand more discipline from yourself. And once your standards rise, your results are forced to rise with them. Number 3, borrow knowledge. Learn from people who are already ahead. Trying to figure everything out alone is one of the slowest ways to succeed. Many people have already walked the path you are trying to walk. They have made the mistakes, tested the strategies, built systems that work. Learning from them allows you to move faster. You're not skipping the work, you're skipping the confusion, and that alone can save years of struggle.
Dear viewers, nobody rises from nothing without leverage. The difference is simple. Some people borrow what they need and move forward. Others stay stuck trying to prove they can do everything alone. And remember this, you don't get the life you wish for. You get the life you negotiate for through your decisions.
If you learned something valuable from this, comment, "I'm blessed." Please don't forget to follow or subscribe to grow and learn with Blessed. If you want to talk to me one-on-one, you can join my live stream or search for Learn with Blessed on Facebook and send me a DM.